Exes are like phone updates. You think, it's over. Then one day they suddenly come back. They don't fix anything, they just make your life slower. When you're in love, your phone doesn't even need to vibrate. Every 5 minutes you call, you check it anyway. Then you realize it wasn't your phone, it was your hope. I open the fridge and look inside for 5 minutes. I don't take anything. 10 minutes later, I open it again. Maybe the fridge made new food while I was away. I search one small symptom on Google. 5 minutes later, Google says I have 3 days to live. Or I just need to drink more water. There is nothing in the middle. I'm sleepy all day. But when I go to bed, my brain says, before you sleep, let's remember every embarrassing moment from the last 12 years. Then it's not bedtime anymore. It's regret time. I start cleaning my house. 5 minutes later, I find something I lost years ago. If I keep cleaning, I might find dinosaurs. I'm not cleaning. I'm doing archaeology. I put 2 socks in the washing machine. Only one comes out. I don't know where the other one goes. I think washing machines have a secret world for lonely socks. One day, they will all come back. The English words I know don't disappear. They just hide at the exact moment I need them. I think my English words have a personal problem with me. I watch many videos about becoming rich. Everyone says I wake up at 5 a.m. I did. The only difference is now I'm a sleepy poor person. It's in a long-distance relationship. The most romantic words are not I love you. They are I can hear you. When the video freezes, both people shout, "Can you hear me?" After a while, you're not in a relationship with your boyfriend or girlfriend. You're in a relationship with your Wi-Fi.